Hi, I am Tummala Srinivasa Rao, Senior Mathematics Faculty. Students fondly call me as Tummala sir. I have completed 30 years of teaching in mathematics field. You would be surprised to know I have only 35 marks out of 100 in my 10th class. But whereas in intermediate, one teacher, mathematics teacher named Gopal Krishna influenced me. Because of him, I got 150 out of 150, 10% marks in my intermediate course. I have two sons and a beautiful wife. Both the sons, they are very good at mathematics. I think mathematics is there in genes. My first son, without using pen, he can do mathematics. I am a part of theatre group. I sing poems in the background. For example, Devi ekkade sampadalu ekkade saukyambulu tiramai sampadulella venta nokaritin sagirare veera kesari e paatu vidinchuno adi idi avasya praptambu nadani nevarun tapinpagalare raje kinkarudagu కింకరుడే రాజగు కాలానుకూలంబుగా. I am a member in the KBR runners group, KBR Park. I have done many 10K runs. Now I am planning for marathon, full marathon, 42.2 kilometers. My favorite dialogue is in movie Dana Veera Sura Karna, directed by NTR and acted also by NTR. Eme Panchali Panchabadruka. I will sing a song from movie Alludu Garu. Mudabanti puvulo mooga basalu మూసి ఉన్న రెప్పలపై ప్రేమ లేఖలు చదువుకునే మనసుంటే ఓ కోయిలా మధుమాసమే అవుతుంది అన్ని వేళలా. When I see an intelligent student not working hard, that makes me sad. I was an NCC cadet in my degree course. I have done many rock climbings.